Good morning, all my little champs. How are you? So, today we are going to discuss a new topic, letter writing. This topic is not in your book, but though it is very important topic, so we are discussing it separately. Okay. Letter writing, you are writing it from the second class. सेकेंड क्लास से आप स्टार्ट कर देते हैं सिक लीव एप्लीकेशन लेटर टू फ्रेंड लेटर टू फादर एंड इन दिस लेट्स स्टार्ट this chapter, this topic now. So, first letters. Letters means when we are writing something. Okay. When we write something to our friend or our family members or to some for some business institutions or some business also. If we write letter to principal, letter to shopkeeper, sometimes complaint letters are there, letter to editors are there. So there are different types of letters, but basically the main type of letters are two: formal letter and informal letter. आप देख सकते हैं formal letter, informal letter में formal letter में to, the, then subject is there, then respected sir, then body of the letter, and at the last I shall be thankful to you. But in another part, informal letter, you can see address, date, dear, body of the letter, and closing complimentary clause. So these are the types of letters. So what is the meaning of formal and informal letter? As you can see in the picture, formal letter, formal means एक फॉर्मल वे में जो लिखा जाता है, letter to principal, application that you say, it comes in formal letter. It requires a proper format, proper formal language is needed. Informal letter, as you can see, two friends are there. When you are writing a letter to your friend, that is the informal letter. So next is difference between formal and informal letters. क्या समझ में आया? A formal letter is a letter written to a business, a college, or any professional that are not considered friends or family. Not considered friends or family. Whereas an informal letter is a letter you would write to a friend or family member. It does not necessarily need a format, but there is a standard. Okay, it does not need a special format. Okay, but it needs a standard. What is the standard that we are going to write? अब आपको पता चला फॉर्मल इनफॉर्मल क्या होता है. अब हम ये सीखते हैं कि इनफॉर्मल लेटर हम लिखते कैसे हैं. What are the steps? What are the format that we have to keep in mind while writing an informal letter? So here you can see on the top, address of the writer will be there. As you can see, ABC colony, ABC city, address, then date, writer. आप लिख रहे हैं लेटर, सबसे ऊपर आप अपना एड्रेस लिखेंगे, then date, then salutation means dear friend, dear father, dear mother, dear sister, then body of the letter. Body of the letter, it mainly consists of 3 paragraphs. First paragraph, introduction. Second, main content. Third, conclusion and end of letter. And at the last, you have to write subscription, which includes your name. Subscription with your name. So I hope you all have understood this format. Once again, on the top, write down your address, then date, salutation. सैल्यूटेशन में बेटा एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है कि दोनों वर्ड्स कैपिटल होंगे, डी और पी. डियर पूजा में डी एंड पी, बोथ द वर्ड्स आर कैपिटल. बट while writing the subscription at the last, yours lovingly, Y is to be capital but L is to be small. Keep this in your mind. Now let's see an example. So this is the letter that you are going to write down in your notebook. Write a letter to your friend inviting him in your birthday party. Okay, so you are inviting your friend for your birthday party. How to write? On the top you can see address is there, West Ramnagar, Sonipat, Haryana. Then date 3 September 2020. Then dear Preeti. Preeti may be name of your friend. अब देखो 3 पैराग्राफ है. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में आपने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया. You just start informal to your friend. How are you? How are your family members? How is the weather there? Hope you are doing well. I am also fine here. Okay, so in the first paragraph, you just talk to your friend informally. Then, second paragraph, the main content. I'm writing this letter to invite you for my birthday party, which will be celebrated on 13th September 2020. The party will be conducted in my farmhouse. It will begin at 6 p.m. in the evening. The complete address of the venue is means ये जगह मैंने थोड़ी सी स्पेस लिया हुआ है so that you can write down the. If you have any confusion regarding the address, you can directly call me on my phone number. It has been a long time since we have seen each other, and I will be really happy if you can attend my birthday party. Waiting to meet you soon, your loving friend Pooja. So in this way, you have to write down the letter. सबसे पहले आप एड्रेस देखो, आप एड्रेस लिखेंगे, फिर डेट, फियर, then your dear Preeti. Then in 3 paragraphs, you are going to divide the letter. First one, introduction. Second, main content. Third, conclusion and ending. At the last, subscription and your name. इस तरह से बेटा ये 2 letters है, 3 letters है टोटल, जो आपको you have to write down in your notebook and make a PDF and send me on my personal number. Till then, stay home, stay safe.